Hello friends, this is Prince Kumar. Welcome to my channel Computer X Baba. So today in this topic I am showing you best websites for downloading high quality games for PC, Xbox and PlayStation. So let's start our chapter. You can read my article on best website for downloading games on my website. Okay, now I am showing the first website, that is Skid Row Reloaded. It is a very great website for downloading PC games. Okay, with a great database. You can search the game that you want in her address bar. I searching Hitman, and here we go. It's come here. You can see the various version of Hitman here. Okay, there are also next pages, different variant are also available here. Now click on the first one. I want to download Hitman 2, a very high level graphics game and very high sized game, about more than 50 GB. Here is the option of FTP transfer, direct download, torrent download, and much link are provided by this website. So here you can read the various comments which are very helpful for downloading the file. I choose the torrent one. The link is opening here. Here is, you can click here download now button. Sometime might be advertisement will pop out. So now download this .torrent file. Download it. For downloading this torrent you need software, that is uTorrent. I give the link of uTorrent in description box. Go and download that. It is a very great software for downloading torrent files. You can download the torrent file from here. Now the second website is the another come from a Skid Row industry, that is Skid Row Games. It is also a phenomenal website where you can download high quality PC games, Xbox games. Okay, now I'm searching the game that I want. Suppose I searching here Taken. You can download Call of Duty, WWE and Resident Evil, FIFA, lots of high graphics game from here. Here you can see the different editions of Taken. In the right side, trending games option is showing here. So I click on the first link here. You can also request games on these websites. You can watch the trailer, inform a screenshots of this game. This time I choosing the magnet link here. There are also options of cloud up to box feature. I use Brave browser because Brave browser has inbuilt magnet downloader, so you doesn't need uTorrent software when you're downloading magnet link in Brave browser. I also give the link of Brave browser in description. Okay, also I give uTorrent link in the description here. By this method you can able to download the files. Okay, if you want to know much information about this website, you can read my article on my website. Okay, now I am moving to the next website, but first I will tell you how to download the Xbox and PlayStation games from a Skid Row Games website. You can also, both website interface is same, both has a, you can here PC games, PC rec pack, you can select here updates, DMC, you can also request games. Or in Skid Row Games, in menu bar select game list, then select console game list, then wait for some time. Now you can see that the God of War, Far Cry, GTA, lots of consoles games are available here. You can download it from here. Okay, read the various descriptions of the game. Torrent download, torrent magnet link are here given. You can also use BitTorrent software like Fluid for downloading magnet and torrent file. So now the next website I am showing one, that apunkagames.com, sorry, apunkagames.biz. In here right corner address bar is located, search the game that you want. I search GTA. You can also search the game by alphabetical manner here. This is also great website where latest games and high graphics games are available. You can see the various screenshots. This is the tutorials for how to install GTA is provided by this website. You can also here select recommended games, read comments if you doesn't understand about what is the quality of the game. Here in this website you have to download games in parts manner. So here you can see that there are 12 parts. Download all the parts. You can see the videos. One thing I tell you, that lots of advertisement are showing in this website, so be aware of that. Use Opera Brave browser for downloading these games. Okay, if you use Chrome, then lots of ads will tease you. Now here select on the create download link button, click here. Here we go. Now download is starting here. Now I am going to tell you about some of the features of this website. Okay, here is a category here, action, fighting, shooting, PC game list. You can also request games for here. So now move to the next website, and the last one that I telling you is the pcgames.net. It is also a good website where latest games, high graphics games and various categories games are available. You can see the Battlefield 5, Call of Duty, WWE, Red Dead. Okay, and lots of these types of games are available here. You can also request games in this website. In right corner address, here is the address bar. Search the game that you want. So I search Call of Duty here. Here we go. There is the various versions of Call of Duty. You can go to the next page here. From now click here, scroll down to the bottom, read the various description, technical specification of these games and how to install the game. Description is showing here. All the games are available in this are downloaded in part wise manner, so download the various parts. One of the demerit of this website is lots of ads will show you, so be aware of that. So this was the list, guys. Hope you enjoyed and understand. If you want to know much more about the mentioned website, go to the Computer X Baba website. Okay, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.